In this video I like to review telescopic pole made by Unger that can extend from 6.75 feet all the way to 24 feet or 2.05 meters to 7.3 meters. It has two ways to attach the tools. One is screw and one is these buttons that catch the tool, and then this is release button. One cool thing about this pole is these clips instead of screws like pole that I had previously. These clips are working much better, easier to take on and off, secure them. And one thing that I like to put attention to is the triangle shape of this pole. It makes so much of sense. It really is a cool thing. It's not made by accident. When we're using it, it stays in the hand without twisting in the hand, and it's easier to control. And I like that, find it very useful and helpful. I have two tools that I use already. One is the brush, and it is also a cool thing, multi-angle wash brush. It has these multi-angles that you can reach anywhere you want in any surface, and attaches with a screw. And here is the window cleaner with two sides, and attaches with those buttons, securing button and release button. To attach the brush, like I said previously, we have screw that we need to just wind it on and go all the way to other end, secure it with the twisting it a little bit, and that's it. Other tool is this window cleaner. All we need to do is just slide it on until it catches for this button, and we can use it then. And if you want to release it, push this button and slide it off. I like to demonstrate how to extend it. Unclip this first level and extend it to the desirable length. Lock it by pushing it, and then we can do second one and so on till we reach what we want. It can be used for cleaning the side of the house, or we can reach all the way to the top, or we can use it to clean the cameras from the dust or spider web, or we can use that tool for window cleaning with two sides. I'm sure we can find more ways to use this. It's good to have it in a house. It's good quality. It's a little bit more money, but I'll highly recommend it. And one thing that I know while I was researching to purchase it, some people say that this piece here will break, but I think that we need to be careful and extend this thinner first portion of the pole out, so it will have some flexibility without us pushing too much and breaking it. Other than that, I like it. I recommend it. If you're thinking yes or no, I'll say yes. Thank you for watching.